Hello everyone. Question is evaluate square root of 5 whole to the power 3 factorial plus 12th root of 5 whole to the power 4 factorial. Solution will be here given square root of 5 whole to the power 3 factorial plus 12th root of 5 whole to the power 4 factorial. This equals to, you know that square root of a equals to a to the power 1 by 2 and nth root of a equals to a to the power 1 by n. So we can write this expression as 5 to the power 1 by 2 whole to the power 3 factorial plus 5 to the power 1 by 12 whole to the power 4 factorial. This equals to, using exponential rule, a to the power m whole to the power n equals to a to the power mn. We can write this as 5 to the power 1 by 2 times 3 factorial plus 5 to the power 1 by 12 times 4 factorial. This equals to, you know that n factorial equals to n times n minus 1 times n minus 2 times up to 1. So we can write this as 5 to the power 1 by 2 times, we can write 3 factorial as 3 times 2 times 1 plus 5 to the power 1 by 12 times, we can write 4 factorial as 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Here and here 2 will be reduced by 2 1 times, here also 1 times. Here 4 and 12 will be reduced by 4, 4 will be reduced 1 times and 12 will be reduced 3 times. Again here and here 3 will be reduced by 3 1 times, here also 1 times. This equals to 5 to the power 3 plus 5 to the power 2. This equals to 5 to the power 3 will be 125 plus 5 to the power 2 will be 25. This equals to 150. Therefore, square root of 5 whole to the power 3 factorial plus 12th root of 5 whole to the power 4 factorial equals to 150. This is our solution.